Hi everyone, this is Heather Smith from Storyville Photography, and today I'm going to show you how to use our newest action, Warm Sugar. You guys, this action is so easy to use and I just absolutely love the tone that it gives. Anyway, this is my daughter. She is cooler than I will ever be, and we are going to get started on this image. So what you want to do is just open up the Warm Sugar, hit right there, and press the play button. And boom! Look at what that base just did. Gorgeous warm tone. I just love it. Now if you want, I also added a few layers that you can tweak as well. So if you wanted to add some contrast, I think that looks nice. Brighten it up. You can mute the yellows. And if you want to make it more intense, you can always use the color Dazzlo. And you can also adjust these layers. I'm going to turn that off. And I'm going to turn that off, but I kind of like the brighten up and the contrast. And that is it, guys. So here is the before and the after. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. You can find it on the Storyville website at www.storyvillephotography.com. Thanks. Have a great day, guys. Bye.